In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin member to your ClickUp Workspace. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to invite someone into your workspace and get them set up so they can help you manage projects, settings, and your team more effectively. First, start by heading over to your ClickUp Workspace home. This is the main dashboard you see after logging in, where you can access your spaces, tasks, and notifications. If you're not already there, make sure you're logged into the correct workspace, especially if you belong to more than one. The Workspace Home is your central hub, and it's where you'll find the option to invite new members. Once you're on the Workspace home screen, look toward the bottom left corner of the interface. There, you'll see an option labeled Invite. This is the entry point for adding new people to your workspace. Go ahead and click on Invite. This will open a small panel or window where you can manage invitations and add new members. In the invite panel, you'll see a field where you can type in the email address of the person you'd like to bring into the workspace. Carefully type the email address of the user you want to invite. It's important to double check the spelling of the email so the invite goes to the right person and doesn't bounce or get lost. If you're inviting multiple people, you can usually add them one by one, but focus on the specific admin you want to add first so you can confirm everything is correct. After entering the email address, look for the button that says Send Free Invite. This is what actually sends the invitation email to that person. Go ahead and click Send Free Invite. ClickUp will then send an invite to the email you provided, and that person will receive instructions to join your workspace. Once they accept the invitation and join, you can adjust their permissions in ClickUp's settings to grant them admin rights if needed, depending on your workspace plan and preferences. For now, the key steps are getting them invited and into your workspace using the process we just covered. That's all there is to it. You've gone from the workspace home to the invite button to entering their email and finally sending the invitation so they can join and